Hi, everyone, and welcome to another week of Math 6. Well, we have 2 weeks left. It is crazy how fast it went. So, here is our plan. We are doing a percent review activity on Monday. We take our topic test on Tuesday. And then that's where it begins our retakes. And we're going to be starting a project. And so it's going to be hopefully an enjoyable last couple weeks of school. We do learn up until the last day of school. So that is something that's a little bit difficult for sixth graders to get used to. But we're going to have fun within our subject, but we are learning until the last day. So when you look back at first semester, we only have one student. Well, actually, I guess that's 9 students. We have a few students back here that need to fix their standards from the very beginning of the school year. And it is something that we do need to have mastery of everything. Now, going back to the very beginning of the school year, that is multiplying and dividing with decimals, multiplying and dividing with fractions. I know it's not the favorite of some students, but it is something that students are required to do. I've had multiple students say, well, why do I even need to learn that? I'll use my calculator. And as we showed in class, and we've shown multiple times, our calculators are rather stupid. They just do whatever we enter. And if we don't have the general concept of how do you actually divide fractions or decimals, then we can't, when we enter something in the wrong order, or we accidentally type the wrong number, we won't know that, oh my goodness, that answer can't possibly make sense. We're just going to write it down because the calculator said so. So, where in the subsequent years we do start being able to use calculators, we can't be using calculators for every little bit of the sixth grade math. It'll just take too much time. Now, we did a really good job through here of keeping our standards up. And you'll notice in the last couple of weeks here, we have dropped. Students have been on vacations, there have been some field trips. Also, there's been an uptick in talking. It's the end of the school year. I completely understand, but we do need to hold until the very end of the year. Also, some students aren't doing they're not doing the practice work inside a class, and then if they don't get it done, they're not finishing it at home. Please know that I update PowerSchool every single day so that if it's something shows missing and your student goes, I know I turned it in, please email me and I will check because I am a human being. I could make a mistake, but 9 times out of 10, it's because your student didn't turn it in or they didn't write their name on their assignment. So I grade every single night because I know that if you as a parent are trying to help support your child, then shouldn't I do my part to make sure the information is in there? Also, do remember that students should be working on their Easy Bridge, they're working on their Math Excel, and they're working on their Success Maker. Yeah, that's about it. So we do have read days the next 2 Fridays, and your job, as always, is stay happy, healthy, and safe. And I'll see you soon in person or virtually. Bye bye, guys.